Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the Christmas baking kit. That's a free kit and part of our customer hub. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed and I'm with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, digital devotionals, prayer Bibles, and prayer Bible supplies. So here is our kit. This is a free kit inside of our free customer hub. You can join the customer hub. I will leave a link below. So let me show you this kit real quick. It has 4 Christian verses. It has prayer lists to do, some washi tape. It has some icons, some emotions, some weather stickers, your week covers, some flags with words on them, your weekend, your adorable date covers, some decorative stickers, some more icons, and some Christian stickers. So that is our free kit that is available inside the customer hub. Make sure you go ahead and download that today. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderfully blessed day.